2 in the morning, you have nothing in your pantry but these dumb cans of tuna. I'm gonna turn these into a sexy tuna sandwich. 1-minute meals, let's get it. So first, you open your tuna. Then you put in some olives to add a nice salty, briny flavor. Then to put freshness into some canned food, you throw in some dill. It adds a nice aromatic flavor. Then after, you throw in a little bit of Dijon and mayonnaise to build up the consistency and make it creamy and delicious. Then, if you're feeling frisky, you throw in some dried cranberries, because who doesn't love a little bit of Papa sweetness? Then pop your bread in the toaster, get it toasty, and boom, baby, tuna sandwich.